Okay, so this workshop is all about pen techniques, and you can use so many different pen techniques. You can actually use them pen techniques. I'm going to add in a regular pen, even a ballpoint pen. So the pens are wonderful for the right thing, okay? What you can do, I'm going to show you a couple of things. Now, we're used to having regular pencils where we can color in dark, get lighter and lighter and lighter. It's not going to work all the time with these different pens. Now, for example, a regular ballpoint pen, that might, because you got dark, press a little lighter, and I'll get kind of on the lighter side, okay? With, excuse me, regular ballpoint pens, it doesn't really affect it because it's still going to come out liquid. So you got to come up with a couple of different things. Now, I'm going to show you how to make, using two different techniques, dark areas and light areas. So there's something called cross-hatching and hatching, okay? Hatching is taking short lines and just going over itself, okay? The thicker the line, the more that it's overlaid, darker the spot, okay? As it kind of gets further out, it gets lighter, okay? So I'm going to go even more, lighter, like that, okay? So you can kind of see a value scale happening here. Dark, medium, light, really light, okay? If you're doing gradation with this, a bunch of lines, fading out, okay? So this is hatching, all right? Cross-hatching is the same thing, but you're gonna have another line to it. So let's do another thing. So cross-hatching, one direction, another direction. This is very fast, and there's a lot of inconsistencies here, okay? So if you're going to think that this is going to give the thing to be perfect, it's not. It's a quick drawing thing. All right, so cross-hatching is this way, that way, everything. As you go further down, the crosses tend to get a little further out, okay? So, okay. What does this look like when we apply it to an actual object? So you need to look at objects and you got to see where the shadows, where the other shadows are. Okay, so let's say I'm going to draw, I don't know, let's draw a vase. Top of vase. Okay, is that good? Perfect. So I looked at it and I said, okay, I see that there are lines here. Okay, it looks like shadows here. And I'm going to do cross-hatching. All right, I see that it's dark. I just start layering. And it gets lighter there. Alright. So I look at an object saying, okay, well, it's definitely darker. I'm going to add in lines, get lighter as it comes out. Okay, so far this is hatching. Cross-hatching is if I took this and I said, okay, well, I'm going to add in some cross areas. Make it go this way and that. Alright. It's kind of sloppy looking in the end, but it's quick. Alright, so here I tend to outline things and make it, you know, kind of show that there's a line there. You can, if you want, you know, really show, like this right here shows a nice division between contrast, between light and dark. So this really helps the way things are. Trying to think. Here we go. Once you put this down, honestly, you can't take the pen up, so when you're doing these, it's short little bursts of this, okay? So play around with it. Definitely try creating a value scale, okay? A value step scale. Try gradation. Even, you know, try putting it to an actual object. See what you like. Maybe you like hatching, maybe you like cross-hatching. As long as you find those dark areas and you put them in, you work with them, okay? Best way to do it is draw out things. So let's say you have this whole area. I don't know, maybe this is a cover right here. Okay, we got this thing. Maybe this is all dark. You know, maybe this is all in the shadow. All right, as long as you put that in, it kind of looks like something. Okay, all right. And don't forget, by the way, the shadows. Pretty cool. Alright, so that is this exercise when working with different pens, and yes, you may definitely check out some other pens and see how they work. Blue works pen here's. And when you look at some of these pens, by the way, they're all different sizes. You can have a thin pen, you can have a thick one. This one is on the side. When you look at it, it says 0.7, a little hard to see. This is a little wider. Okay, gives you a quicker look. You just got to see what you like.